EduFam.
Tweet, tweet, up in the sky, the little bird flaps as it flies by. Colorful feathers and a happy song, singing sweet melodies all day long.
Tweet, tweet, let's sing together. Who's that soaring way up high? It's the eagle with the sharp eagle eye. Brave and bold with wings so wide, he glides like a king in the sky with pride.
Eagle says strong and free.
Splish, splash, jump, who's that there? It's the dolphin flipping through the air. Smart and friendly with a giggly sound, she swims in circles and spins around.
Dolphin says ee.
Let's play all day. Side to side on the sandy shore, the little red crab goes explore some more. Snip, snip, claws and a silly walk, he loves to dance and do the crab talk. Click, click, let's snap to the beat.
Hey guys, do you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Subscribe. Search for EduFam and YouTube.
Thank you for watching. EduFam.